All right, guys, I want to show you the most expensive pickup truck on my lot right now, why it's this much money, where the money went in this truck, and why I have it. First and foremost, guys, this is a 2023 F-450 Platinum, high output with 8,000 miles on it. I have this on my site right now for $105,000. I think it's $104,900, right? So 105 grand for a pickup truck, and all you guys are gonna say it's stupid money to be spending on a pickup truck. The thing is though, brand new right now, this truck, a brand new F-450, stock, right? No upgrades. They're pushing $110,000 or more, depending on exactly how you have them equipped. This particular truck only has 8,000 miles on it. Without the upgrades, this truck is probably somewhere in the low to mid 90s with 8,000 miles in a 2023 and a Platinum. This thing, first off, you got 24-inch and change American Force wheels, you know, with your spiked lug nuts. I mean, this thing is sick, right? You got 37-inch tires, wheels and tires here alone, because you got a dually, right? You got the same thing in the back. So American Force wheels, 37-inch tires, that's over 12 grand. This is a 4 or a 6-inch Stryker lift. And I'm saying all this because I did not build this truck. I bought this truck this way because I thought it was a great deal and I thought it presented value. But you got a Stryker lift setup, dual Fox shocks in the front, right? It's actually the reservoir shocks is what they would call that. You got a Fox stabilizer bar in the front end. Again, guys, all part of the Stryker lift, the whole way back through here, right? And again, in the back, the Fox reservoir shocks in the back end. So this setup, this Stryker setup is expensive. Like, this is not a cheap entry-level lift kit. And to be honest, that would suck if it was on a 450. This is a truck you're gonna wanna tow with. You wanna actually use this truck, not have some cheap, gimpy setup on your lifted F-450. But that Stryker lift kit is 10 grand plus to 40 hours to install that. You probably have 15 grand plus just in the lift. This is insane to me, is all of the paint match, right? So all of this, right, is normally plastic. And it's still, I'm sorry, it is normally just regular black plastic, but this is all paint matched, right? These are usually just black plastic, all paint matched. This back here, all paint matched. I mean, the amount of hours this thing had in the body shop to paint match all this stuff. Again, look at it like this. Normally just black plastic, all paint matched here. Your mirror covers, you got all of this, that's paint matched. This piece, paint matched. All of this in here, paint matched. This lower valance, they paint matched. I mean, it is insane. You got thousands of dollars there. I doubt that bill stops at 5,000 bucks to get all that stuff paint matched. 30 grand plus in upgrades. For 105,000 bucks, you're paying an extra $10,000 to $12,000 with all those upgrades on my lot right now. That's why I like the value. Don't get me wrong, I'm not the guy that's gonna buy a stock F-450 and spend 30 to 40 grand doing these upgrades. I'm gonna go find that value somewhere else after somebody already did it. Some of you guys are probably thinking the same thing, right? You're like, there's no way I'm spending 30K plus to upgrade my 450. I'm gonna go out and buy one that's already done, maybe save a little bit of money. So you got the power boards, and I did say, like, all this here, by the way, also paint matched, the edge of that. You can see some of that got a little chippied, right? And that's the chrome underneath. But this is all paint matched here. You go inside, you got WeatherTech mats, you got your full platinum interior with the moon roof, adaptive cruise, heated cooled seats, B&O sound. I mean, this thing is loaded. This is a jammed up, loaded out F-450 Platinum. I said high output motor, but you got the 6.7 power stroke, high output, engine, 500 horsepower, 1,200 pound-foot of torque, an absolute monster. At 105 grand, if you wanted the truck this way, this is a deal, right? It really is a deal, and that's why I love getting stuff like this, right? I love getting stuff that's done right, and then I can sell to you for a bargain, again, comparatively, right? Is this the savings that you would want, right? Or would you rather go build this truck yourself? Would you save 15, 20 grand buying this truck and not having to mod it out yourself? Or would you want to go build this one yourself? So again, guys, thanks for watching. You value honest truck reviews like this, hit subscribe.